All right, coming up, we have two students from McDonald County High School joining us this morning. We have Caitlin Epling and Jacob Winkler here, two seniors here, and we were just talking about it during the break. This is your bucket list show. Yes. Mary Poppins Jr.
Yes.
Tell me about this production.
So Mary Poppins Jr. is a very important thing for our little theater because we just got our little theater in, and this is our first big show that we're actually performing for this little theater.
Okay. Tell me a little bit about the little theater. It's a little theater, but obviously it seats quite a few people. But it's new for the high school, or?
Yes. So it's been about 3 years in the making. Mm-hmm. We started working on it, I believe, our sophomore year.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
And it's located on high school campus in Anderson, Missouri, right behind the baseball field.
Yes.
And it seats around 100 people, and it's a very, very beautiful facility.
Yes.
And what a show to start off with.
Oh, yeah.
Mary Poppins Jr. Now, a lot of us remember this is, a childhood favorite Disney classic, and your roles, you're holding the umbrella, so I'm assuming you're playing the part of Mary Poppins.
Yes, ma'am.
And you are Mr. Banks.
Yes.
Yes. Tell me about your roles and what you had to do to learn your characters.
Well, for me, I kind of just watched the movie over and over again just to see how her character goes along with, talking and singing, and just how, she's very sarcastic with all of her talking. So she's very proper, sarcastic, and that's just how I got my role.
Mm-hmm.
Mr. Banks is a very stoic, stern man, so I pretty much had to pay attention to the old Edwardian England ways of being a stern, strict man, no nonsense. And I've done stuff like that before, but this was almost a different level of that.
Okay. Well, you play two adults in the film, and obviously there's younger characters as well. So how is that working with your classmates or other students in high school, but almost like treating them like children in the play?
It's actually kind of fun. I find it enjoyable because they're going along with how you are, and they're just acting like children, like they're supposed to be, and it's just amazing just having that there with them.
Okay, let's talk about details of when and where you can find the show. Obviously, we talked about it being in the new Little Theater. Mm-hmm. When is the show?
The show opens on this Friday, March 10th at 7 p.m., and then we perform again on Saturday the 11th at 2 p.m. and 7 p.m.
All right. Is there a cost to enter, or?
There is a $10 fee at the door.
And of course, that goes back into your production for future shows?
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Well, thank you two for coming on, and I have to say it, break a leg.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Who will be right back.